Hi, boys and girls. Yesterday in reading, we learned about author's purpose, and today we are going to learn our power words for our new reading selection that we will read tomorrow called Many Kinds of Matter, where we will be discovering what the author's purpose is of that text. So let's learn some new words. Are you ready to power up? Let me hear you say power up. Space. Space. Space is an open area or place. So look at this image right here. All of this is open space. These books do not take up much space on the shelf. The next word is example. Example. An example is a part of a larger group or things that are alike. So a banana is an example of a fruit, or football is an example of a type of sport, or a pencil is a type of example of a school supply. Example. The next word is easily. Something that is done easily is not hard to do. Not hard to do at all. So I can easily count to 5. Our next power word is forms. Something with many forms has different shapes or ways of being. So let's look at this picture of all the pasta. Now, all of that is pasta, but pasta comes in many forms or different shapes or ways of being. Forms. The next power word is planet. Planet. A planet is a large object in space that moves around a star. And so the sun is actually a star, and the earth moves in a circle around that sun or around that star. So the earth is a planet. The planet we live on is Earth. The next power word is tasty. Something that is tasty is really good to eat. So a synonym for tasty, now remember, synonym means same. Synonym, same. A synonym for tasty would be delicious or yummy. We all enjoyed a slice of the tasty pizza. And the last power word for this week is amount. Amount. An amount is how much of something there is. How much of something. So let's look at this picture. Each glass has a different amount of orange juice in it. Okay, now you're going to use these power words in a little activity in your seesaw. And we will see all of these words in our text tomorrow called Many Kinds of Matter. And remember, all of these words will be highlighted. So when we come across these words tomorrow, I want you to pay close attention to how the words are used in the text. And try to use maybe one of these words in your speech when you're talking, like in your conversation this week with maybe your mom or your dad. See how you can fit one of these words in your conversation.